Hi, if you are a passionate singer, but you do struggle with hoarseness or tension or straining while singing, despite your best efforts to sing certain vocal exercises or to copy the sound of the original artist, I'm gonna show you how you can sing high notes powerfully and expand your range without any straining, any tension, or any hoarseness so that you can sing all of your favorite songs easily and effortlessly. Even if you typically struggle to practice and really train your voice because maybe of a lack of time, right? Because you might have other responsibilities like a job or kids. So stick around to discover how you can experience true vocal freedom when singing by mastering just one specific vocal technique. And I know it sounds crazy, but hear me now. Hear me out. My name is Maggie, and I help passionate singers just like yourself become the best versions of themselves through singing. And the number one thing that I want you to take away from this whole video is that mastering your mixed voice is the only way to experience vocal freedom, which is not the same thing as singing some vocal exercises that you find online to train your voice. You see, mixed voice is the act of activating the chest voice muscle and the head voice muscle simultaneously while singing. The chest voice muscle is responsible for power. The head voice muscle is responsible for extending your range and for height. So can you see that the only way to sing high, powerful notes is to actually combine those two muscles together? It's kind of like going to the gym. If you only train one arm for like months on end and you try and lift a weight with both of your arms after a couple of months, well, then there's going to be an imbalance, right? Because you've trained only one muscle. And the same thing applies when you're trying to activate and master your mixed voice. So the first thing that you need to know about mixed voice is that it's really designed to utilize the full potential of your voice. And as I mentioned before, when singing, there's those two muscles that need to be active, the head voice and the chest voice muscle. And most beginner singers, they tend to only activate one of them when they're singing. So they're either singing in chest or head voice, resulting in a voice that can either sing high notes but are shaky and wobbly, right? There's people that sing here, and then the voice is shaky. Or if you only sing in chest voice, well, then there's a good chance that you might be pushing your voice to hit those higher pitches, resulting in a big, bold sound without any range. And that's where you're feeling that tension build up. Right? That's what we kind of feel. So that's not what we want, right? So how many successful singers that you look up to, how many of them do you know don't necessarily use their whole voice or their whole range? You probably don't know many of them, because how can you expect to sing those high notes easily without combining the power of your chest voice and the range and flexibility of your head voice? That's the key, combining those two. And that is how you get to vocal freedom. Vocal freedom for me is the ability to sing anything you like, high notes, low notes, all the notes in between. And it's unlike, avoiding the high notes altogether. That's something that I used to do. I was changing the melody or choosing like an easy song where those notes might not appear. And really that wasn't serving me because I wasn't training my voice, and my voice wasn't becoming more strong or more flexible. So you have to master your mixed voice in order for this. Now, I normally teach this in our membership, the Singing Insiders, but let me give you an overview of how this works, because this seems to be one of the biggest takeaway for the students inside of our Singing Insiders membership. Like Anna, like I show you here on the screen, she says that mixed voice, it feels like I've been handed a key that opens the doors to the next level, which I think is so beautiful. When I first started my singing journey, I wished for a way to sing those high, powerful notes without straining or pushing my voice. And I think that's what many singers are after, right? I didn't want to feel that tension and hoarseness build up every time I would sing a Beyoncé song, for example. So I thought, well, how do those successful singers do that? Like, what vocal techniques are they using to sing those high, powerful notes and extend their range? And here's what I discovered. The first thing was, well, you don't actually need a natural talent in order to be a great singer. See, most passionate singers, they tend to sing on autopilot, meaning they're not conscious of how they're using their voices when singing. They tend to put up a karaoke track or joyfully sing along with their favorite artists. And although that can be really fun, it's not the most effective way to become a better singer, because just singing along with your favorite artist or with a karaoke track, well, without knowing how you're actually using your voices, well, you're just doing what you've always done. And that will cause you to get the same results over and over and over again, which might cause you to struggle with the same vocal problems over and over and over again, like having that limitation in your voice, or the hoarseness, or the fatigue, or the tension. So imagine that as a child, you learn to swim, but you learn to swim the wrong way. For example, I know my grandma, she tends to swim sideways, right? So imagine that as a child, you learned to swim sideways. Now, you're not going to learn how to swim in a straight line if you keep swimming like you always, been taught, sideways. So in order to swim in a straight line, you need this new way of learning how to swim. And the same thing applies here when it comes to developing that mixed voice. So it's not a matter of singing more, it's a matter of singing and training your voice in a very specific way that allows you to understand how to use the different vocal muscles and use them to your advantage. And when you train your voice in this way, and when you sing specific exercises designed to train specific parts of your voice, well, that's where the sky's the limit. That's where you're gonna break through any vocal limitations. That's where you can expand your range, where you can sing those high notes easily or those low notes with lots of depth and warmth, and even sing riffs or master vocal effect. Like, that's where we wanna be as singers. So here's how it works. I already briefly touched on this, but when you're singing, there are two main muscles that are active: your chest voice and your head voice muscle. Now, your chest voice muscle is responsible for power. Your head voice muscle is responsible for extending your range. So can you see that the only way to sing high, powerful notes is to combine both of those muscles together when singing? Can you see that? That is called singing in mixed voice. And mastering this mixed voice is the only way that you're going to get to that vocal freedom that we talked about earlier. Now, most people, they won't even begin to train their mixed voice because they run into a big roadblock, which is not knowing where to start to actually train this part of their voices, and believing that their voice is their voice and that there's nothing they can do to improve it. In other words, many singers believe that they need to have this natural talent in order to implement all of this. And maybe you're like this too. Maybe you're thinking, well, I can train my mixed voice because my voice is just not cut out for this. I don't have this kind of talent. So if you're thinking mixed voice just isn't the answer for me, I want to show you how you can train this part of your voice with the 4 phases to mastering your mixed voice. Because if you're feeling like you might not be cut out for this, feeling like a failure, or maybe even not feeling good enough, which is all those feelings that I felt before as well, I'm gonna show you how you can go through these 4 phases of mastering your mixed voice without needing any natural talent. Now, obviously, I can't guarantee that you'll experience that vocal freedom in the next 5 minutes, right? But we all know that if you struggle with a tensed or hoarse voice when singing, well, then you definitely don't have the right technique to sing in a healthy way, to expand your range, and to sing those high notes freely. So these 4 phases to mastering your mixed voice is kind of like the instruction manual that you need in order to build an IKEA closet. It's the step-by-step roadmap to expand your range and experience that vocal freedom that we talked about earlier. Now, the 4 phases to mastering your mixed voice is normally a bonus training that I give or that I created in our membership, the Singing Insiders. But I'm going to link it up for you in the description down below, because I think once you see how easy it is to really master that mixed voice that actually helps you sing those high notes easily, you'll be able to start getting the vocal freedom and the confidence when singing, and see that it isn't such an uphill battle, because it's a matter of training the right parts of your voice using specific vocal exercises. And then it's gonna feel so good to go through the different vocal workouts and hear your range increase and decrease any tension or hoarseness, and really feel that confidence to share your passion for singing with others, to finally let yourself be heard. So you can find the 4 phases to mastering your mixed voice through the link in the description of this video. And I'm looking forward to see you there. Talk soon.